Hey guys, ArchieLuxury channel. My room, my studio is a mess. Absolute mess. I've done nothing for months. So I've come back from holidays and I'm actually going to make it happen now. I'm going to move the stuff out. I've got another bookcase to put in, take something to take out. I'm going to rearrange the studio. So just cut me a little bit of slack whilst I get this schmozzle fixed up. And yeah, I'm going to put some more booklets and brochures into a bookcase. So yeah guys, this is the studio and this is what I'm working on. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today guys. So it's moving. I'm starting to move the stuff out. I've got one watch out at the moment. I've got to put the stuff back in here. So it's coming along. I got to get this done by nightfall. I've moving things out, moving things in. This is the life cycle of the mess in my room. Anyhow, I'm back to cleaning and scrubbing, and those fucking carpet beetles, those bastards, no end. The lime and the carpet beetle. Fuck them, from the Greek. These nasty little fuckers. Nasty. Guys, the studio is starting to get together. I've installed a hat stand. I've moved some furniture. Took me hours just to move it a couple feet, but because I had to take all the books off and restack. But there we go. We're making way for another bookshelf that's going in here. This is the ArchieLuxury studio. It's looking very studios. Good news. The carpet beetles seem to be dying down a bit. So no new infestations to report there. So that is good news indeed.
Some critics say the powers are being overused and go too far.
This is one of Queensland's most secretive rooms. Those called to testify in the so-called Star Chamber have no right to silence. If they refuse to cooperate or lie, they can be jailed.
They're a very powerful tool we use, but we take very seriously the use of them, and we have to convince ourselves that there is a proper basis to use the powers.
Evidence from CCC hearings helped convict 2 men over the McCulkin murders, a crime that had been unsolved since the 70s. In the Tiali Palmer case, the CCC trapped her foster family in a lie. Eventually, they gave up the killer, foster father Rick Thorburn. But while there's widespread support for the Star Chamber's use in major investigations, there's also concern the right to silence is being taken away in low-level cases.
There has to be some balance, a balance between police powers, CCC powers on the one hand and civil liberties on the other.
Over a decade, the number of investigative hearings have quadrupled to more than 340 a year. In 2017, Brisbane YouTuber Paul Pluter leaked top-secret documents detailing problems with Queensland Rail timetables and trains.
Newgen is a huge up.
It's understood he was summoned to the Star Chamber and forced to reveal his source. He's since been charged with allegedly revealing he was called to face a hearing.
It'd be different if you were talking about a terrorist incident, but this was talking about problems within Queensland Rail that needed in the public interest to be disclosed.
People who have access to confidential information are under an obligation of trust not to disclose that without very good reason. If there's, for instance, a belief that they want to blow the whistle, as it were, they should come to us confidentially.
The CCC doesn't release transcripts or recordings of its coercive hearings. In many cases, even telling someone you've been summoned to testify can be an offence. Civil libertarians want the powers reined in, but the CCC insists it's kept in check by the courts and a parliamentary oversight committee. Christian Silva, ABC News.
The attraction
I can't help myself, Scotty. I cannot help myself. Your combo meal deal, Hunger Busters. And I'm a bit hungry. We're going to have some licorice, Scotty. This, you like licorice?
I've never. No, I don't.
Okay. Ah, I love. This is just have a one.
You've been having withdrawals.
Ah. This is the big pack of Darrelly. This is the king kafoops of licorice. It's so sweet.
I was just about to say before, I don't think I've ever had the red licorice before. It's okay.
It's different to licorice. It's not really licorice.
No.
There's no. I could eat the whole fucking bag, Scully.
Doesn't have that aniseed taste.
No, no. I had to have some licorice, Scotty. That.
Yeah, I could see you having. Your hands were almost shaking there when you picked it up. Yeah. Withdrawals.
We'll start weight loss next week.
Yes. There's always tomorrow. There's always tomorrow.
How's your weight loss going?
Yep, we'll kick it off.
Next week.
Yeah. Darrelly is the best brand for liquor.
I love the sweetness. It's sickly sweet. Combo meal deal.